Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing something you guys never knew I ever ordered. I planned on doing this video months and months and months ago, but never got the opportunity to do so. So I feel like it's probably best, and I finally have some time on a weekend to do this, to knock it out and get it out of the way. However, it's raining and not the most ideal day to do this. Months ago I ordered this from Jack's Wax so I can ceramic coat my truck when it was pretty much brand new. I never got around to it, and I'm like, oh, I'll do it when I'm lifted, I'll do it when I have my new wheels and all that stuff. When I got my new wheels, I was too anxious to put them on, so I never did them before I mounted them, stuff like that. So in here we have the Ceramic Pro Shield Pro 9H kit from Jack's Wax. Comes in here with everything you need, and here it is. Here is the ceramic coating, the Shield Pro 9H. If at any point in this video you guys become interested in this and you want to do this on your own vehicle as well, the link will be in the top of the description. Now most people are going to be like, why aren't you using this company or that company? And mainly for me, it's buying good products, not buying products because everyone else uses them or any of that. And on top of that, Jack's Wax is a Columbus, Ohio company, so you know, kind of support local. So it's like, I just want to buy some good products, and I know Jack's Wax has a large line of car detailing stuff. So I decided to go with them when I bought this probably 4 or 5 or 6 months ago. It's been so long I've forgotten. So with me applying ceramic coating my truck, and obviously once you put it on, it like seals your paint. So I don't want to seal in any paint scratches or swirls. I know the truck is fairly new, however, most of the time it's unavoidable. The Ceramic Pro will help with keeping scratches down because it is pretty much a hardener. However, I don't want to lock scratches in. So we are going to paint correct my paint today as well. On, you know, some cars, the older cars, you see a lot of paint swirls on your car. That will take more than a one-step correction. You're gonna be going to the auto store and picking up some Meguiar's 205, so we'll be able to polish the truck and then apply the ceramic coat. This is like a big process and I forget things every time. Definitely gonna need that. Definitely gonna need this. Are you ever driving and you're just looking at the person in front of you and you're like, you have to physically try and try really hard to drive that bad? It drives me nuts. It's extremely hard for me to match their current state of driving, and it takes a lot of effort on my end. It drives me nuts. Okay, major fail. They had none of the polishing compounds at all. They had a few rubbing compounds, but they had none of the polishing compounds. So we're gonna run down the street to Advanced or AutoZone, I forget what's down there, and pick it up there. Okay, success, we got it. We got our Meguiar's 205, which is ultra finishing polish, very low cut, and it'll get all the small minor paint swirls out so we can seal our paint. Okay, so not completely ideal, but the rain has come to a drizzle. I was gonna wash the truck inside, but considering it's barely raining now, I backed the truck out and we'll be able to wash it out here, and then I'll pull it back in and we can do the rest of it. But you know, all this road crap from driving here got all up on here, so I gotta wash that off. Okay, so the rain picked up and now we're soaked. However, she is clean. So we're gonna pull her in, we're gonna clay bar and fine detail it, and then after that, we'll be able to start polishing. I swear, this isn't a Meguiar's sponsored video at all, but I just love their products. So what we're gonna do here is, yeah, I'm wet now. I'm soaking wet because it was raining outside, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna clay bar this. The normal Meguiar's clay bar kit comes with the quick spray detailer, clay bar, microfiber, stuff like that. We don't have the kit. One of my buddies gave me a clay bar to use. Use the clay bar and the quick detailing spray I already have. And we're gonna go over this entire truck. even the roof, and get it as prepared as possible. And then get the ceramic coating applied. Ooh, look at that. How shiny this is. I don't want to even touch it. So this is washed and clay barred. However, we have not polished it yet. You probably can't even tell, but there are micro scratches in the paint and we don't want to seal those in there, so we're just going to polish the whole truck. However, first we need to clean the wheels very, very well because we are also going to ceramic coat these so all the brake dust and stuff does not stick. Baby, look at those. Super, super clean. Alright guys, after a full day of detailing, it is time to apply the ceramic coat. We're going to spray and wipe down the entire truck with the ceramic prep spray, and then we can start with the ceramic pro itself. The instructions say do wear gloves, and I'm not going to argue with that. I'm going to work hood down because if I'm leaning against this panel, you know, to get the hood, I don't want to lean against something that's already been coated. So we're going to do the hood, then probably the roof, and then we're going to work our way down the vehicle. Here's your suede applicator block, your ceramic coating, and the microfiber for wiping it off. Apply 7 to 8 drops on the suede applicator block. Spread product across in straight line motions, overlapping each section. 5 to 10 minutes to dry, and wipe off. Pretty much don't wipe it off too soon, and don't wait too long. If you wait too long, it gets very, very tacky. Okay guys, the hood and the grill are done. It looks good and feels amazing. Literally, the cloth now just slides all over the paint. Alright guys, so it is 8:30, so do the math of whatever time I said I was starting. I completely forget. The truck is done. It is done with the ceramic coat. She looks extremely glossy and extremely good. Even got the wheels And yes, I did get the roof. So pretty much is a full day process if I can help you in one way. Do one panel at a time. At the beginning, I was going quick and I was like, wow. Obviously I started with this panel, you know, these side panels. I'm like, oh, I can go quick so I can do 2 doors at once. No, the one door dried while I was doing the other door, and you know, trying to rub it all off was, you know, it just took forever. So do one panel at a time, be patient, and it'll go so much quicker, and you'll get the results you want. She has to stay the night because it needs 24 hours untouched to cure. It's raining outside. We're not even gonna take the risk of driving it home. We're gonna leave her overnight and come back in the morning, and I'll show you guys the results. Okay, so I took it on the road and I hit a mud puddle. As you can see, look at all the mud that's on the mirror. However, you come to the paint, and what's surprising is, look at the small amount that's stuck to the paint. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take the hose and the power washer just to that side. As you can see of how much mud did not stick when I hit that puddle. Like you saw how much is on my mirrors, and my mirrors are not coated, but how little has stuck to the paint. Now we're gonna go take a hose and try and just hose it off. And if that doesn't work, we're gonna take a power washer and just power wash it off. We're gonna see if the ceramic coating eliminates the step for a sponge or a microfiber mitt or any of that. Let's see if it eliminates that step. I think it'll be pretty cool. All right, let's see how she does. Wow, guys, that stuff is amazing. Jack's Wax Car Care Products, you guys, if you guys are interested in this kit, link is in the top of the description below. Get down there and check it out. If you guys ask me, do you recommend doing this to your vehicle? My answer is yes, whether it's new, old, you know, middle years, whatever it is. If you clean it well, buff it, get all the scratches out, I recommend doing it to any vehicle. That stuff is incredible. For about 150 bucks and, you know, a weekend of your time, your car will be protected year round. So that is incredible, incredible stuff, guys. Not sponsored by any means. That is just me buying a product that I heard about and I tested out, and now you guys know firsthand how well that stuff works, and I cannot compliment it enough. So like I said, you guys are interested, link is in the top of the description below. You know, like you guys saw how much mud hit my mirror and how little stuck to my paint. Yeah, it's the same stream of, you know, dirt. It's not like less hit my paint and more hit my mirror. It's all the same, got kicked up, and how easy, even, you know, whatever got stuck on my paint came off so easy. I am thoroughly impressed with that. So like I said, I do recommend doing this to any car, and for 150 bucks, do it yourself, save a whole bunch of time, and I have a whole bunch left over, so you can do multiple cars or reapply it a couple years later if you want to do that as well. But I want to say, yes, I recommend it. Get out there, do it to your vehicle. Stuff's crazy. Stuff is beyond crazy. Can't say enough good about it. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. If you haven't been here before, please get down there and click subscribe. I'm going to say take care, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.